Welcome back to a brand new video! We'll be talking about graphing. And while it may seem complicated, it's not that hard. First, let's learn some stuff about this graph. There are 4 quarters, or quadrants, on a graph, and they separate positive from negative coordinates. The notation for a position on a graph is ordered with the x position coming before the y. Let's say I have a point called A stationed at the coordinate -3, 2. Well, how do we graph this? The first number is the x position, which is at -3, while the y position is at 2. Well, here's our graph for this. The line running up and down is the y-axis, whereas the line running left-right is the x-axis. So from the origin, which is in the middle of the graph, you count backwards 3 to represent that it's negative and on the x-axis, and you count up 2 to show that it's positive on the y-axis. And that, everybody, is how you graph. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Also, I've started making comics, and I'll have them in my outros. Check out my other animations and math tutorials, and until next time, bye.